In this video we will discuss about remote PowerShell for Windows. So, what is PowerShell for Windows? Using PowerShell on SureMDM, the admin can use the command lines to send commands and run scripts on Windows machines. To begin the process, visit the login page of SureMDM. Here enter your registered username and password. And then press Login. This is the console of SureMDM. Select an online Windows device. Next, click on the ellipsis button located on the top of the console. Here, you find the PowerShell option. Just click it. PowerShell opens up. Once the shell is opened, you can find device name with online status and end session and remote buttons. Here you can start entering the command lines to control the device. In the end, if user wants to terminate the session, he can click on End Session and PowerShell will be exited. There is another way to access the PowerShell. After selecting the Windows device, click on Remote button. Now bring your attention to top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the PowerShell. Click it. Awesome, you have once again gained access to the PowerShell. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any queries, please write to us on sales@42gears.com. Thanks.